So first off, yeah, I'm the founder and kind of the only guy. The J and the D and the S is me.
Are you?
Jeff
Oh my
David
God.
Stibbard. So
I've misprepared for this. I'm
yeah,
sorry.
no, that's fine. And so did I when I selected the name of the company because actually they give you three choices when you register your company. And back in 2004, I was going to be called like Canadian Energy and Mining Company.
Mm-hmm.
And I had another choice. And my third choice was JDS because I was like running out of good ideas. And
Oh, it's when you put in the naming request.
yeah,
And,
and they give you a third choice. And so make sure when you do things, when they give you three choices, three quality choices, otherwise you'll end up with the last one. So anyway, that's how the company got named, and it really got started as a bit of a hobby after I moved out of Fort McMurray and finished off building one of Canada's last big oil sands project for Shell, of which I was a shareholder and founder of the junior partner company that built that out. So I moved in 2004 to Kelowna and created a company to design, build, and really run operations for folks in the mining business with a bunch of previous colleagues that I'd worked with throughout my career in the mining business, and it really just took right off back then in 2004, and it's been a phenomenal experience.
And so you started as, design, build, sort of contractor, but
Yep.
I'm looking at a list here put together of the different, I guess, divisions of your
Right.
business now. I think there's 9 here, right? There's
Right.
railroads, there's an investment company, there's engineering, construction, underground, equipment. What is the full suite of services that you guys offer today?
Well, it's not defined. We haven't finished. And quite frankly, it's the food chain of the resource development. So when you look at our bio, it's really we want to be partners in maximizing resource development value for our customers. And really when you start to look at it, you get all the way into the food chain and you realize it's more than just putting the plan together. Now you got to find the people, the material, the equipment, the processes. So you get deeper and deeper into the food chain and you realize, hey, wait a minute, I can fix that. I can make that go faster, cheaper, more reliable, better for our customers. And so you just kind of get into these things naturally. And as you work through the food chain, whether it's producing copper concentrate, you realize that you got to truck it, or you got to barge it, or you got to put it on a train. And so then you look at the train business and you go, hey, hang on a second here. There's some things there that aren't quite running efficiently. I should look at that. Maybe I should provide a service to help jack that up a bit and make things move faster. Building the Yukon, the copper mine for Capstone, or before that, Sherwood Copper, you needed a barge to go down the Yukon River, and the place hadn't had a barge on it in about 20 years. And so next thing you know, I had to build a barge, and I'm in the barging business, and I still own them today. Probably not the best business decision as an individual activity for running barges on the Yukon. As you can appreciate, it's kind of a seasonal business, but it's the drawbridge to being successful for the mine or not when they're producing copper concentrate that needs to get off the mine site. They need you, and guess what? That's pretty good economics when you're a critical link in people's product to market. So you quickly learn these aspects as you get deeper into the business, and the rail business is an extension of that. We get into rail servicing, and all of a sudden now we're on the track, we understand it. We go, wow, we should own some rail equipment. Wow, we better own a rail yard. We better have a place to park those rail cars and look at all the economics. So those things just keep naturally falling out as you get deeper and deeper into business. And that's the country. The country is like that. It's just, there's phenomenal opportunities once you travel around as a mining engineer, which I am, like yourself, that, as you know, we're trained as engineers, but I think we're at the bottom of the barrel of the engineering business. We know a little bit about everything, but not a lot about anything specific. So that's a great aspect of running a business. You need to be able to look at everything from all sides.